if we went to the Ashen Isles?
Yeah, that's always deadly. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Mark it! Let's go. During the day, I don't know if we'll have all the information.
Hey, yo, that rock is kind of close.
Oh, hey. Hey, Hugh. How you doing?
I voted on fire.
On fire! Water! In the water! Everything is burning! Our entire ship is in flames! Oh my god!
Abandon the boat! I have no idea where the island is. I'm just kind of lost in the sauce.
Welcome aboard to the SS Depresso. Hey, are you guys cool? By chance?
And a pirate game?
They say no. Okay, cool. Well, frick. Hey, we don't have much on us, so I don't think it's really worth it.
Bold-faced lie, and I love it. We've been unloading for the past minute, and we
Oh my
still
god, I found
haven't
another
gotten
person.
everything.
Hey, what's up? He's got a sword in his hand. Ow! Yo, shoot! He's attacking me!
I'm taking the boat for a little joyride.
Killed one of them and tried running.
Nice, dude!
Yeah.
Why do I hear danger music?
Why do I hear boss music?
Oh, no, God!
What is that?
That's the Megalodon.
Oh
No. Boss music in this economy? Oh, hell no!
Stop pulling holes in my ship!
Where the fuck is the ship?
Where's Lily?
I'm driving the boat!
Actually, no, that wouldn't be a good idea. We're on their ship anyway.
I'm gonna die. Oh my god, it's going
There
down!
goes their ship.
Ah! That's it, that's the post. Goodbye, my final message.
Someone shoot it!
Skeleton. The boat!
Well, bye.
The rowboat, no! It's escaping!
Where is he? You guys trying to harpoon me? Nope. Nope.
Come here!
Take me away.
Where are you?
Don't stay underwater too long, by the way, you'll drown.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
I can change my name to For Sale. No! Why would you do that? What was your purpose?
I was wondering what this does.
Half of my health is gone!
This is why you always need to have a bunch of food in your inventory.
Because just in case somebody decides to Molotov me in the face.
Yep.
Ay, 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 I'm swimming out to sea. I'm out of here. Which way is the current? This way. You putting
I
a
am
gun at me?
taking over your ship.
This is, but we are on the same ship.
It's over for you.
But we
This
have
is
to,
my ship.
we're on the same ship.
Hold up, my crew, Fordale. Vote to lock and brig, yes.
What?
Congratulations, you're locked in the break. How do we get you
Alright,
out
well,
of the break?
We have to wait until... It says there's a minimum sentence your crewmate must serve before you can release them.
What? How long do I have to wait?
I don't know, this is new.
I see the island.
It's not that island.
It's not that island.
It's like behind the island.
It's behind. Okay.
I'll go check it out.
Oh, he's gone.
You should probably check on them, like, your own maps, just because you're basing off of what I think is what things. You should probably try to find your own assumption about it. If that makes sense.
I guess. Found it.
I love fucking dogs so much.
You love having intercourse with dogs?
No!
That's what I would thought too.
Fordale, cut that out of the video.
Okay.
Just
A
run
little
really
bit farther
fast.
than I wanted to be.
Woo! Woo! I don't know how to do that one. I just did it. Nailed it. Shoot! Didn't nail it. I'm dead.
As quick as
Do we want to
possible.
be at the dock?
We should find one of the things that's closer to the, you know, like the next.
Lily,
Oh, we're gonna hit something.
Evan, how attached are you to this quest? Because this island is currently surrounded by everything that will kill us.
It's not that island right in front of us, is it?
Okay, I'm in a cannon.
What are you guys doing?
I'm just gonna yeet.
Dog's on fire.
I literally come back from the bathroom break, and we are on fire.
See ya.
Stop moving!
There are so
I made it to the island.
Don't worry, we'll be fine. We can just scuttle through the freaking ghosts. It'll be fine.
upside down!
We'll be fine. It's okay.
Guys, just stay away.
I
Stay
didn't
away.
fucking react. That's why you should do it.
Panicking.
We're coming for you. You don't worry about a thing. We're coming for you.
There's another ship to your right.
Where's the?
Oh my God.
Jesus. Hey, we're fine.
Oh
though.
my
We're
God.
Good. They don't see us.
Don't look at
Trees in the
us.
way.
Please don't look at us.
Someone get the chest.
That
Get the chest.
Evan, why did you use cannon?
I'm going.
chest.
I'm getting it.
We're getting shot at by
It's a
three
shark.
ships.
It's a shark. Boy, we
I hear
going.
fire. Oh my God, there's fire up here.
Oh my God. I thought I took care of that.
the captain's quarters is on fire.
You got
Fire
fired.
beneath me. Put it out.
I'm on fire.
We are leaving.
We are leaving.
Where is?
Look at her little face.
See it happen, Evan. Flat rock face.
I don't like that.
Oh my God!
Uh,
What just happened?
Guys.
What did you do?
Holes.
Oh my God. Oh
Help.
God.
Hurry. Help.
What did you do?
Oh God.
Help.
God.
I'm helping.
Oh God. Oh Jesus Christ. What happened?
What did you do?
Trying to use a cannon on my dog.
So what happened?
I don't know.
Did we just explode because for funsies? What happened, you asked? Well, never put me on lookout because that is a terrible idea. Because as you can see, not only did I stare directly at the ship, but I saw it more than once. It's right there in front of me. Again, another great reason why not to put me on lookout. For example, this man just climbs aboard. And boom, we explode. Who could have predicted that? Certainly not me.
Alright, I'm gonna take my perching.
I feel like we're in a predicament.
This
You
is the
don't
bad
say.
There's a ship behind us.
Oh
There's a-
no. Is it a player ship or a ghost or a...
That doesn't
I think
Hold
look.
on.
I
It's
think
coming
that's a player
towards
ship.
us. I feel like that's a
skeleton
player,
ship.
guy.
No, that's a... No, that... Is that? No, that's a player ship. Oh god.
It's
Friendly?
a good thing they're
Friendly?
going towards.
Use
Friendly?
the megaphone. Use the megaphone. Okay. We're just trying to vibe. Just
Hey yo,
ignore us.
I don't know. No,
Someone. I see a ship
Oh, that's another...
already docked.
Oh, wait, but they also have the pride flag. We can negotiate with them.
We can.
Okay, guys,
Alright.
let's grab some chests and sell them.
I'll go over there. Someone just jumped.
That's me. I'm gonna start negotiations, okay?
Anybody? Oh, I found
Hello?
a person. Hello.
Oh,
Should we keep someone on the boat?
Hi.
hey.
Hey.
Hi.
Another person.
What up?
We're just here to vibe.
Oh, okay. You guys rolling around in the Galleon?
Yeah, that's us. We also see you have your pride flag out. We have ours out. That's good.
Nice.
Maybe we can do something.
No.
I see you're gay. I'm gay. Should we have someone stay on the ship just in case, or?
They're
how
gays,
about-
they're
how about-
trustworthy.
Right.
They're currently gossiping about us. I can hear them, and they're like, they're saying like that's the Galleon something. So I think they met us before, maybe, and they
Are
were
we
scared off or
famous?
something. I mean, we're Galleon, so we're a little intimidating.
I'll lead you.
Hello there. Oh, Lady Ophelia, that's a cute name.
Yeah, she's my doggy. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
There are two kinds of people
I'm
you
so
meet in Sea of
happy.
Thieves. Nice people or people who suicide bomb your ship for the lore.
Suicide bomb your
And of
ship.
course, the suicide bombers never talk.
It's the guilt.
This is your captain,
Captain.
speaking.
Hey
You have
Val.
lost
Yeah.
a dear friend.
No bitch, I'm right here.
Okay, you're good.
He will be remembered in our hearts.
Where's my dog?
Yep.
Don't do it.
Alright.
No.
And I can place
Do
it.
it.
Monster.
Don't
No,
do it.
you
I
can
have no
choose.
clue what Evan
be
is
a
The
doing.
cat has now been placed on the
Don't do
side
it,
of the
Evan.
ship.
See,
I
Wait,
Lady
Evan
Ophelia
gonna
is
launch the
completely trusting you.
Don't.
Do it. Show them what happens.
I just put her in there for a cool breeze as she sails by, you know?
Do it, Tom. Do it.
Alright.
What the hell? She's burnt! Half of her is charred!